If you like good sound and wireless technologies, the next few minutes are right for you. Two great pairs of earbuds by QCY compared. Let's inspect. Hey, welcome everybody! My name is Michael, it's the Tech for All channel where we inspect cool tech, so if you like the plan, maybe you can become one of our dear subscribers. Now today's topic is about wireless earbuds and earphones, and I believe it's the best and the worst time to buy a new pair. The best time because there's so much competition and they have become so advanced and so good that it's just amazing to have them inside your ears, to enjoy good quality music and everything to be wireless and controllable from your smartphone or from tapping. And the worst time because there are so many models and it can be so confusing to pick the right one for you that, I don't know, it could be crazy. But that's why I think that reviews of this kind would help you to make the right buying decision. So, what do we have? Actually, today we're going to review not just one, two pairs of wireless earbuds. Both are from the company QCY, and I'll tell you why. A few months ago, I have reviewed the M10 model by QCY, which actually was based on one of your requests from the comments below the videos. And looks like QCY have noticed the video and they asked me to try their two new models. So here's what we've got. This is the cheaper option. Pretty interesting color, and these are earphones. You know, a big larger size, but it's still in-ear installation. And the other pair are true wireless earbuds with ANC. ANC stands for Active Noise Cancellation. It's a technology that you might have heard of or at least seen about it in the description of some more premium and expensive earbuds. So basically it requires a lot of processing and counts on the microphones which are capturing the outside noises. Then the processor inside generates tones which are supposed to suppress or entirely eliminate things that are coming from the outside, and you hear something close to silence. Apparently, the better the microphones and the more advanced the processing, the more efficient the ANC is going to be. And for some people, that's really important. I recently saw the post from Dimos Tech. By the way, you can check his channel. I'll link it somewhere. So he was talking about how essential for him is to get something close to silence when he's on the bus. And there are other people who would prioritize other features like audio quality or comfort or battery life. So let's go ahead and explore these in more details. Unboxing the units brought quite the usual feeling. Both boxes looked fine and packages seemed rather similar. The T10, which is the cheaper option, looked cheaper of course. We take out the unit, together with the available ear tips, charging cable and instructions. Similarly, unboxing the HT01. Again, this is the more expensive model, one of the most expensive that QCY have ever designed. For a company that has always been focused on aggressive pricing, that's quite a change, and important to notice that they actually feel good. They are even cheaper than the Tautronic's most affordable option, and the specs that they offer at that price cannot be matched by the big premium brands like Sennheiser, Sony or Bose. And of course, they have a very different target group. Let me show the most important specifications side by side. The drivers are relatively big for earbuds, 7mm. Music playback times are good. The T10 will last around 3 hours and a half, while with ANC on, the HT01 should give you up to 4 hours and a half of music and close to 2 more hours of playback time when ANC is off. Both cases are used for storing and charging, with this one for the earbuds supporting wireless charging. Low latency music controls, phone call controls and voice assistant are available, Bluetooth 5 and the advanced tuning that QCY smartphone app provides. So there are enough things in common as well as a bunch of differences. In terms of audio quality, because I know that this truly matters, well, the sound is okay, fidelity is fine, frequency response is fine. I think for vocals, you can hear them very clearly. Probably not perfect for club and rap music because the bass is not so decent, but I would definitely say that the sound here is not bad at all. For the HT01, things are upgrading and the sound feels a lot more premium. Now it feels crisp and you can hear a lot more tones from the highs and from the lows, which gives you a more pleasant feeling while listening. And more interestingly, QCY claimed that the sound tuning here is done by a former Harman sound engineer. While I can't verify this statement, I can tell you about the modes. There are two noise cancelling modes, the ANC on and outdoor mode, where the focus is on removing wind noise when you're cycling or running, and you can switch between ANC or non-ANC mode using taps, and you can change the ANC mode from within the app. Let me show you how the smartphone app works, and we're going to use the T10 first. Here are the available options. One of the greatest strengths of the QCY app is the ability to program the control functions. These are the defaults. You can control music and also launch the voice assistant. Let us dig deeper in the config using the HT01 model. Each of these actions are configurable and you can set them together with the ANC setup. If there happens to be a firmware update, it will be pushed through the app. I guess from all the budget earbuds and earphones, QCY is the brand with the best kind of software support and integration. To me, having the ability to fine-tune the sound is essential. It means that even if there's a specific frequency range that you don't like at the start, it may be something that you can improve a lot.
Hello, it's time for our usual audio testing, and it's quite windy today and very, very, very cold. And this is the audio quality that you could expect from the microphones of the QCY T10. How does that feel? Let me know in the comments below. Wrapping up the audio testing with the HT01, which are supposed to be the better sounding microphones because, well, it makes sense. If the microphones are good, then the active noise cancelling is going to be better. So do you notice any difference? Let me know. Comment below and tell me how you feel about the microphones of these two pairs of earbuds.
Some feedback about the battery life, and we'll start with the T10, which are these, the green ones. They lasted around 3 hours at moderate volume, out of the promised 3 hours and a half, which is not a bad result. But of course, on the market, you can find a lot more durable in terms of battery life earbuds. HT01, those with ANC support, their results were better. I got close to 3 hours and a half with ANC on, and about an hour and a half more than that if ANC was disconnected. Now, in terms of efficiency, active noise cancelling here is good. It's not very good, it's not superb, it's just good. QCY claimed down to 35 decibel reduction of surrounding noises, and I think the efficiency is okay. Not as good as the market leaders, but definitely amazing achievement for a $60 pair of earbuds. In terms of comfort, both were fine. I tend to I usually prefer earphones, but these earbuds were quite comfortable, and I think from both models, these fit better and feel better. As for drawbacks, battery life could have been better. I find the material quality on the T10 to be not good enough, and the lack of full waterproofness, which is always nice to have. So that's it about the new earbuds or earphones by QCY. Not bad, actually. The HT01 was something I can easily recommend. And actually, if you follow the channel regularly, you know that I'm quite a fan of bigger over-ear earphones. So I'm happy that I can finally go back to these. Actually, this is a new model coming from Tribit, and I'll tell you more about them in another episode. And I think that's everything for today. If you enjoyed, then give us a like, and hey, subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss what's coming. If you liked any of the products that we have reviewed throughout the episode, I'll conveniently link all of them in the description below. And for any questions or comments or ideas from your side, I'm looking forward to meet you in the comment section right below. My name is Michael. It's the Tech4O channel. Stay safe, take good care of your body and soul, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!